Hello students, I think you are doing well. Let us discuss our next lesson, heredity and evolution. What is heredity? Okay, first we will discuss what is heredity. The term heredity is the transmission of character from the parent to their offsprings. Means whatever the characters having their parents, that will carry forward to their offsprings, or you can say it is progeny. Okay, so accumulation of variation during reproduction can be occur. Variations can be occur in sexual reproduction, not in asexual reproduction. Is it clear? In sexual reproduction, it is happening. Okay, all variations will accumulate very slowly to the next generation. Clear? Generation to generation, it is changing, and slowly it is passing through from one generation to other generation. Okay, there are two types of traits: inherited traits and next one is acquired traits. What is inherited? Inherited trait and acquired trait. Acquired trait. Clear? Inherited means what? Which one we will get from our parent, that is inherited traits. Okay, for example, suppose you would have been see that your parents eyes are black. If both the parents, mother and father's eyes are black, then definitely you will have a black eye. But if one parent is having, suppose your father is having black eye but your mother is having brown eye, then no doubt it would have been black eye. You are having black eye. Clear? It is inheritance. Okay, clear? Here what happens? This black will be, one will be recessive, clear, and one will be dominant. This is dominating. Black is dominating, as that always you can see that when eyes are there, then black eyes are there, so it is dominant trait. Clear? This is one character we have discussed. Suppose curly hair, one parent is having curly hair, another parent is having straight hair, so definitely you can get it a straight hair. Clear? What are the rules? Second one is acquired trait. What is acquired trait? Which you acquired from the environment, from anywhere, like swimming. Swimming is, suppose your father don't know swimming, your mother don't know swimming, but you can acquire swimming. So swimming is an acquired trait. Is it clear? Now inherited trait and acquired trait. Inherited means what is inherited from your parent, that is inherited. Suppose your father is tall and mother is tall, you might be tall. Clear? What are the rules and who set these rules? These rules are set by Gregor Mendel. Who is Gregor Mendel? Gregor Mendel. Okay, he is the scientist who was for the first time he has experimented on many things, and he gave these rules. What are the rules? He said that the genetics will come from father or mother. Okay, father and mother will contribute equal genetic materials to their offspring. Father and mother will give equal genetic contributions. Genetic contributions I have given two examples like eyes, hair, fairness. Okay, these are the things. Now he has done so many experiments. Okay, experiments. Then he concluded these rules. What are the experiments and what type of experiment he has done? He has done experiment on pea plants. Why pea plant? The question will be there, why pea plant? Why he has usually put pea plant? Because pea plant is easy to grow. First one is easy to grow. Second one is easy to grow. Pea plants can be grown very easily. Second one is having very short lifespan. Short span. Clear? In short lifespan he can experience many time. That's why he has chosen pea plant. And second, next one is it is having 7 pairs of contrasting characters. So many contrasting characters, 7 pairs, 7 pairs of characters. Like what are the characters? Like you would have been see that yellow peas are there, green peas are there, round peas are there, green wrinkled are there. These are the characters. Clear? Question might come, why pea plant? Due to all these characters having pea plant. Next one is already we discussed dominant trait and recessive trait. Dominant trait means which will dominate over another one, that is dominant. For example, tall. Okay, your father is tall but your mother is short, dwarf. Short you can say, no, short. Then you might be tall. Here tall is dominant and short is recessive. Clear? Next one is if we will go for a plant, tall plant and dwarf plant. Okay, then the tree will be tall. This is because this is dominant. Okay, and here it is recessive. Clear? What is dominant? The character which express itself, that is called dominant. Here it is expressing here. Here also tall is expressing. Clear? So if round and wrinkle, round p and wrinkle p will be there, round and wrinkle p will be there, then it might be a round. So here round is dominant and wrinkle is recessive. Clear? Now clear? Now gene. What is gene? We will discuss gene. It is the unit of heredity which transfer the characters from the parents to the offspring. Clear? Transfer from parent to the offspring. Which is responsible? Gene is responsible. Okay, it is a coding in coding, and proteins can be generated, and those proteins will be transferred to the next offspring or progeny. Okay, different things are there, like suppose it is T for tall, this T for dwarf. Okay, he took it. Next one is phenotype and genotype. Phenotype and genotype. What is phenotype and what is genotype? Phenotype means it refers to the observable appearance. Observable appearance means what? What you can observe, what you can see, that is observable appearance. Suppose tall you can see, dwarf you can see, yellow you can see. Okay, but genotype means what is inside that, that is genotype. Genetic is coding, what code is present there. Okay, that is code representation to any given phenotypes is called genotypes. Is it clear? So next one is our homozygous and heterozygous. What is homozygous? Homo means same, hetero means different. Homozygous and heterozygous, right? Heterozygous. Homozygous, same. Okay, a condition in which both the genes of the same type of parent, like TT is the same type, it is tall. TT is, this is dwarf, tall, dwarf. Is it clear? Tall, it is tall. Okay, TT it is pure dwarf. Clear? Now heterozygous means TT, it is heterozygous. One is tall, one is dwarf. Here both the parents are tall, or both the trees are tall. Here one is both the trees are short. Pea plants are short. Here one plant is tall, another one is short. Clear? Homozygous and heterozygous. Homo means same and hetero means different. Next one is what Mendel did in his experiment. Let us see. This will come in an exam. Mendel's experiment. Mendel's experiment on pea plant. Okay, what he observed. Okay, there are two types of cross. First one is monohybrid. Monohybrid. Focus on here because this might come in your exam. Definitely monohybrid or dihybrid cross will come. This is monohybrid. Mono means single. Okay, he took pure tall tree and pure dwarf trees. Okay, that is called F1 progeny. F1 progeny first. Is it clear? So when he took pure tall and pure dwarf, okay, he got all tall trees, 4 tall plants. Is it clear? 4:0 means all 4 in first generation in F1 progeny, all 4 are tall plants. Is it clear? Though he took TT and TT, this is tall and this is dwarf, but he got all 4 tall plants. Clear? In second F2 progeny, what he did is that he took TT and TT. This is very important. Remember this. Here what he got? Here he got T and T. What he will get? TT. Clear? T and T. Second one. Sorry. In first from here he got T and T. Sorry. In F2 progeny, he took this one. This is F1 progeny. F1 progeny, TT and TT. He crossed among them. Then he got T and T. Look at here. Capital T, T, T. Then capital T, small t, T, T. Small t, capital T. Then T, T. Small t and small t. Remember this. This is tall. This is also capital T means it is already we discussed. What is this? This is recessive. This is dominant. So it is tall. Here also it is tall is dominant. Tall. Here it is dwarf. Okay. So here in this case, first, second, third, tall, 3 tall, 1 dwarf. Here 3:1. Is it clear? Now it is clear that T, tall, and dwarf. In F2 progeny, we will get 3:1. Clear? In monohybrid. Let us look at dihybrid. Dihybrid. Di means what? Di means 2. Dihybrid cross. When dihybrid cross will be there, what will happen? A cross between 2 plants having 2 pairs of, okay, 2 pairs of contrasting characters. Like suppose I will take 2 characters. Like I will take yellow P, yellow and round P, yellow and round. Another one I will take green and wrinkle. Is it clear? Yellow and round, green and wrinkle. Okay, what I will get? In F1 progeny, when I will just cross this YR and GW, then what I will get is that in F1, all round I will get. All round and yellow. Because this yellow and round are dominant traits. So whichever is dominant, we will get in F1, we will get all 4 that one. What? Yellow and round. Is it clear? Because it is dominant. Next one, when he self-pollinated in F1 to again F1, same. Okay, for F2 progeny. What happens in F1 to F2? When we got F1 progeny, we will again cross that F1 and F1, we will get F2 progeny. What we will get? We have to remember this one table is there. In your NCERT book, one table is there. You can go through that table. Okay. YR, then YR is there. Okay. Yes or no? And YR, then Y and R, then Y and R. Capital, small, capital. Okay. Capital, small. Like that same thing will occur here. Then what we will get here? We will get here YYRR. It is pure yellow and round. Clear? Like that we have to fill. We have to go through this table. Same thing will occur, but no need to remember this table. But what will happen? We have to remember that will come in your exam. That round and yellow, how many round and yellow will come? Round and yellow, 9. Round and yellow, we will get 9. Clear? Next one is round and green. Round and green, how many we will get? 3. Clear? Now we will get wrinkle and yellow. Wrinkle and yellow, we will get, that is also 3. Next, wrinkle and green, we will get 1. So what is the ratio here? 9:3:3:1. Here the ratio is 9:3:3:1. This 9 refers to round and yellow. This 3 refers to round and green. This 3 refers to wrinkle and yellow. This one is wrinkle and green. Clear? This is very important. 9:3:3:1. This is dihybridization. Clear? I think it would have been clear. Okay. Next one is, what is DNA? DNA is the informative source. Okay. DNA is the DNA. Okay. DNA. Okay. It passes the information. Okay, it is the information source for making protein in all the cells. That is called gene. And hormones are responsible for all these activities. Clear? Genes control the characteristics as well as traits. Clear? Now, last one is the sex determination. Sex determination. How we can determine the sex of a baby child? Clear? Suppose there are 2 types. First one is environmental. Okay. In some cases, environment is responsible, like temperature is responsible in the case of turtle. Okay. Turtle, in the case of, if temperature will increase or decrease, that will decide that the baby will be a girl or a female or a male. Clear? Next one is our genetics. Second one is our genetics. This is very important. Genetics. Okay. In case of human being, genetics occurs. In case of human being, how many chromosomes are there? That 23 pairs of chromosomes are present in human being. Okay. Out of 23, 22 are called autogens. 22 are called autogens. Autogen, and one pair is called one pair is called chromosomes. Clear? Chromosomes. Clear? 2. One pair means 2 numbers. Okay, that is, suppose this is a female and this is a male. In female, XX chromosome is present. In male, X and Y chromosome is present. When X chromosome comes from female, and X chromosome from male, it is XX. XX means it is no doubt it is a female girl child. When X will come from female and Y will come from male, it is XY. XY means it is a male or boy child. Okay. So from this above discussion, it is clear that because Y chromosome is responsible for boy child and X chromosome is responsible for girl child, XX chromosome is present in female, Y chromosome is not present in female, so female is not responsible or mother is not responsible for any sex determination. Okay, whether a boy child or a girl child will be there, will be born, that will be decided by the male parent, not the female parent. So father is responsible for that. So this is all for this today. I think the video will be very helpful to you. Thank you. Have a nice day.